everybody has a stake in keeping forests beautiful. I think everybody agrees that litter is bad. Nobody likes litter. We just have to kind of motivate people to say, hey, just spend a little more time being cognizant of what's around you. And there's also been all kinds of research that shows litter is not healthy for any community. It's psychological, damaging, economically damaging, and things like that. So we just try to motivate people to just be a little more cognizant of what's going on and try to motivate them to take, investment in their city, in their community.
The city can do so much, and we try, but it really takes all of us to keep Fort Worth beautiful. It takes the citizens, the city of Fort Worth, the businesses. It takes all of us to solve the problem. So that's where Keep Fort Worth Beautiful helps, close that loop.
To volunteer with Keep Fort Worth Beautiful is a way to reach out into the community and get them involved on many levels and many ages. So you start young and you get all kinds of fun activities from school age to neighborhood. Your people next door, the church community, but it's a lot of fun and getting others involved and educating and just spreading the word on how we can all beautify our community together.
Keep Fort Worth Beautiful has a multitude of ways for anyone that feels passionately about keeping our city beautiful. The easiest way that most people join us is in a volunteer-led cleanup. That's where community members actually organize cleanup events of their own. Maybe they call up their neighbors or their church group or the people at their school and really encourage them to participate. And you can do that on your own schedule any day of the year. You can also activate a group at your school and join school green teams, or if you have a lot of business connections, you can join our Green Business Partners program.
Keep Fort Worth Beautiful has a commitment to helping our businesses within the city recycle, and that might not always mean just, a storefront. That means like schools, multifamily complexes. So there's a very big commercial side to the city, and we like to help them come up with recycling plans that are sustainable for them and good for helping us divert waste from the landfill as well.
It's about involving the kids, because truly there will always be litter, but it's if we can get the kids involved and help cultivate that generation of non-litterers, that's a win.
There's this prevalence that, well, that's not my responsibility. I'm just going to throw my stuff out. Somebody else will pick it up. But we're trying to say, no, take control of your environment. Yeah, we can't control everything, but we can control little things. And those little things build up over time and hopefully can make a difference in our community.